Hey y'all.
Because we all do, man.
Hey guys. So this is a phone update, y'all. So my husband found some phone repair place that we're gonna go to, but first we gotta get the kids from school and then we're gonna go. I was gonna get my toes done today, but I have somebody to be here at about 3:30, so I won't be able to do my toes. She's coming to get her hair braided, y'all. I'll be doing them cute ass box braids, you know. So baby, don't you singing stuff while I'm recording, okay?
What song stuck in my hands?
Oh, look at the train. Find a different way. Like one time I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't put nothing in the GPS, and I had to stay right there and wait. I didn't know where else to go. But I'll record when I pick my son up and when we're at the place to get my phone fixed, y'all. Little Miss Kyra was trying to feed her, but she don't want to eat. See? She don't want to eat. So I'll just leave you alone, little lady, and don't you be miserable. So y'all, I'm at Kiefer's school. I came to pick him up from school, and then we are going to get.
She should be in school.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Come on, Kiefer. Come on, your mommy. Wait for me.
Good
I don't
job,
think she has
baby.
Q up there, so I couldn't find it. But he named everything. I got to everything except Q and W. And he was able to recognize. And I was like, "Where's Q? Where's R? Where's S?" Listen, he did really, really good.
Good job,
His
baby.
name. He counted to 20. He said
Yeah.
his name was me.
So there he goes. Huh?
It's almost off.
What?
This one.
What about it? Come on, we gotta get D. So guys, we are going to get D, and then and my customer, she just texted me and say she on her way. So go and get in the car. So my customer just texted me and say that she on her way.
You know what the sun's made out of.
So baby, I saw somebody ask, she say, how do blind people know that they're done wiping their butt? And I thought that was so funny because I never thought about it. Like how? Somebody comment and say they use wet wipes. But it's so funny, I swear to God. But anyways, let me see what. Okay, y'all. So my customer just texted me and said that she's gonna be here close to 4 o'clock. Ooh, look at the fair. I'll be snapping.
Circus.
I mean, I'll be recording. Oh, the circus. They're setting up a circus and stuff, y'all. I will be recording when we go, okay? We're gonna be out here. I need to start posting more content on my Facebook, on my YouTube, so. Because I realize I'm getting more and more subscribers, y'all. Remember to subscribe, share, and turn y'all notification on so that y'all can be notified whenever I post new content, okay? Okay, guys? Oh, and we are going to Florence tomorrow for the weekend, y'all. So I will be recording as well. Oh, there goes the train. Oh, it's moving now. So I will be recording and stuff. So we're gonna have a good time.
Because they don't have on the sign right here, but they got the. They usually have on it's about to open the sign. They look, they just setting up everything now.
I don't know, but all I know is
I got them tickets.
Go.
I got them tickets. I got them tickets. Like I said, from actresses.
Kiefer, you had a good day, baby? Put your seatbelt on. She said he had a really good day.
I want to Taco Bell. I know that for a fact.
I want some taco soup.
I think somebody had put that the nacho fries was coming back. I gotta wait on damn D.
Oh, y'all, we're here waiting on D. It's a rainy day, y'all.
What time did those service come?
Sometimes it come till 8, sometimes it come till 16. One of those rainy days. Take a look at that hawk sitting on their fence. I think he knows.
He's looking for a squirrel.
He probably know who was recording him, so he moved. So she said she's gonna be here at 4, and it might take me 4 or 5 hours to get her hair done. She's not getting it long, so that's good. And then, so we're leaving tomorrow to go to Florence. So in the morning, I'll have to try to get my nails done. So hopefully, I do. Because I don't want to go with these tacky ass nails. You should see them. I don't want to show y'all. They all. But anyways, y'all, we're waiting on D. His bus should be here any minute now. It's 2:16. So, oh, there goes his school bus. He about to.
Let's go.
Kiefer, don't you do that.
Okay. It's 8. It's 8 minutes.
He's on bus number 8. There he go.
Go tell Dion got thicker. Go tell Dion got thicker.
So y'all, we went to this phone repair place and the guy said that he cannot fix the phone because something about it's difficult or whatever. So, and he say it's gonna be very, very expensive to do it. So it's better we just get a new phone. So that's what I have to do. Because I am about to keep charging wirelessly. Because then I can't use the phone while I'm charging, and it's so annoying. Like every time my phone dies, because I don't know. But we're here at Taco Bell trying to get something to eat. Baby, what you say about the natural fries? Because I wasn't listening.
How can I get it loaded? Because they didn't bring it back.
So y'all, I got my food. I got my food. You got it 105?
Yeah.
There you go.